Welcome. This is your instructor, Dr. Jason Finley. And what I want to do now is go through what's called MetEd Labs. You're going to be doing 4 of these for this course. So you can download the MetEd instructions from Canvas, but I thought this is a good idea to create a video just in case you find some things about MetEd a little bit confusing. So the first thing you want to do is go to the website, which is what I just did. And so this is the interface. And what MedEd does is it has these modules geared for people in the atmospheric and earth sciences. So I thought this would be a great way for you guys to learn a little bit more about geography and meteorology. So the first thing you have to do is sign up. So I'm going to click on the sign up button. You want to put your email, create a username, your name, password, location, affiliation. Now, please do not, I repeat, do not put my email in here. This is why. Every module that is assigned to you has a quiz, and you can take that quiz as many times as it takes to pass the module. So if you put my email address in here, I'm going to get every single attempt that it takes for you to pass these modules. And I have about 200 students. So I will get a lot of emails. So please do not put your name. In fact, I'm going to write do not touch. Then afterwards, you probably don't want these things checked. And then you just create an account. Now, I already have an account. So I'm going to sign in. So once you have an account, you sign in. So I put my email address in here, my password, and now I'm in. So you'll have my name on here, you have your account, log out, etc., etc. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you do the correct module. So I'm going to go back to my MetEdInstructions, and it looks like the first module is climate change. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here. So climate change and sea level rise. So I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to do a search. So climate change and sea level rise. That's the best or fastest way to do that. Now, this is a free website, so sometimes it takes a while for for the search to work or for modules to load, so you just have to be a little bit patient. Okay, so I paused the video for a moment because it did take quite a bit of time. So the first step after this is to go to Lessons and Resources. And right away, you should see climate change and sea level rise. So let's click on that. Good. That did not take a while. Now this module is pretty short, but the other ones are going to be longer. So you want to begin the lesson. You can hit begin, and there may be audio and also some video as well.
As our world warms, global sea levels are rising.
So you get a little snapshot of what that's like. And when you're done with all this, you want to go to the quiz. And you can hit begin quiz. Now, I already took the quiz, and I want to show you what happens after the quiz is done and you pass. So I'm not going to hit begin right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back a few steps. And when you're done with all of your stuff, you will have a My MetEd tab, and it will list. Oh, I have to sign in, which is interesting because I switched browsers here. Okay, so I'm going to sign in again. And now I'm going to go to my climate change sea level rise. And notice that it says the word certificate there. Now, right after you pass a quiz, you'll see a button that says certificate. But this is also another way to do that. So I'm going to click on certificate. And this is what I got. Now, this is what you need to upload to Canvas for this assignment. So everybody should have a certification of completion. And I also want to mention that depending on the module, sometimes a 70% is passing, sometimes a 75% is passing. As long as you're able to get the certificate uploaded to Canvas, you will be good. Thank you.